Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to live stream Zoom on YouTube. So make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss any steps to live stream Zoom on YouTube. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to download Zoom application, which you can do from this website zoom.us. Alright, so from here you can see you can download this application. Next, what we need is OBS Studio. Alright, so now what you have to do is search for OBS Studio, and here you can download the latest version from this website. Alright, so let's head on to our third step. So what you have to do next is I'm just going to open another tab and go to youtube.com/live_dashboard. Alright, so once you have downloaded your Zoom, open your Zoom application and create a new meeting. Alright, so over here we are in our Zoom. So next step is to open your OBS Studio. I'm currently using that to screen record. So I'm just going to open this OBS Studio, and what you have to do is create a new scene over here. So like that, over here you can add a display capture, or you can just add a window capture. So over here I'm just going to select window capture and click OK. And over here you can see the Zoom meeting. Select the capture method and click on Windows 10. And now click OK once again. Alright, so this is our window capture, and you can just resize it to make it full screen, or you can just leave it right here. So next step is to, on the OBS, click on File and now click on Settings. Once you have done that, you can see the option for stream. Click over here and you can click on Use Stream Key, and this is our stream key. So how you can get stream key is go to this live dashboard, and over here you can see this is our stream key. So all you have to do is copy this, go to OBS Studio and paste it over here and click apply and then OK. So next step is to go to output, and over here you can see the stream option. Make sure you set the bitrate to maximum 6000 kbps or 4000 kbps, that works as well. So now click on apply and OK once again. So once you have done that, all you have to do is click on start streaming, and over here you can select your video, and here you can edit the title and description and save it. So once you hit start streaming, your stream will start on YouTube. So that is how you'll be able to live stream your Zoom on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.